Hi friends, let's solve this problem. If the coefficient of a raised to 7 b raised to 8 in the expansion of a plus 2b plus 4ab the whole raised to 10 is k into 2 raised to 16, then k is equals to. So we have expression a plus 2b plus 4ab the whole raised to 10. And in the expansion of this, we have to find coefficient of a raised to 7 b raised to 8, which is given in the form of k 2 raised to 16. We have to compare and get the value of k. Okay, so as we have this expression, if we think about expanding by as it is, if we think about expanding as it is, then there will be more than one term which has a power a raised to 7 and b raised to 8. So then combining them will be a difficult task. So what we can do is, as there are more than one term which contains a and there is more than one term which contains b, so we can think about taking a and b common. Okay, so it becomes a raised to 10, b raised to 10. Then here it becomes 1 by b plus 2 by a plus 4 raised to 10. Okay, so we can write this as a raised to 10, b raised to 10. Then here we can apply a formula. Here we can apply a formula of a plus b raised to 10. So here we have a raised to 10, b raised to 10. So then in the expansion of a plus b raised to 10, if I take any term, so any term will look like 10c(r1), 4 raised to r1, 1 by b plus 2 by a raised to 10 minus r1. Okay, by using binomial theorem. So a term will look like in this form. So then again, here we can apply a plus b raised to n formula. So then how the term will look like for this expansion? It becomes a raised to 10, b raised to 10, 10c r1, 4 raised to r1. Then we can write this as a 10 minus r1, 10 minus r1, c of r2. Correct? Any term in this expansion will look like 10c r1, 10 minus r1, c r2 multiplied with 2 by a raised to r2, 1 by b raised to 10 minus r1 minus r2. Okay, so now what is the power of a that we want? We want a raised to 7. We already have a raised to 10. We already have a raised to 10. So here there is a raised to r2, okay, in the denominator. So it implies that r2 value has to be 3. Okay, similarly if we see for b, we already have b raised to 10, and here it's a b, and here we already have r2, so it's a 10 minus 3, it's a 7 minus r1. Okay, so what we get r1 value as, we want power to be 8, so the r1 value will be 5. Okay, so we got the value of r1 and r2. So now, so then if we combine a and b here, so it becomes a raised to 8 and a raised to 7 into b raised to 8. So now let's see what is the coefficient of that. So the coefficient of a raised to 7 into b raised to 8 is equals to, it will be 10c5, 10c5 into 4 raised to 5 into 5c3 into 2 raised to 3, and then it's a 1 square. Okay, so now we have to simplify this. So now this is equals to, it's going to be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 raised to 5, then into 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1, then into 2 raised to 3. See, remember that we want answer in the terms of k into 2 raised to 16, so that we can combine, we can compare and get the value of k. Okay. So now let's simplify quickly. It's a 5, then 2, it's a 10, 3, 3, then it's a 9, okay, then it's a 4 and 4, and then here 2, and then here 2 square. So we can write this 4 as a 2 square. So then it becomes 2 raised to 10, and we can take a help of 8, which is 2 cube, and we will get 1 2 here. So we can combine and make it 2 raised to 16, and we are left with into 5 into 9 into 7. So if you combine all the 2's, you get 2 raised to 16 into 5 into 9 into 7. So if we compare this with k into 2 raised to 16, this implies that the value of k is 5 into 9 into 7, which is equals to 315. So answer is 315. Thank you.